my senses.
Si JP. Ngayong araw maglalaro ko ng shawarma kiosk. Let's go. Muna natin to. Pasok muna tayo sa tindahan natin. Alright. Welcome to our night shift at shawarma. What? Ang bilis naman. Turn on the grill. Alright. Sorry guys, medyo malag naman ako yung cellphone ko. Sorry. Open. Let me check the camera first.
One more. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Alright, that will be 150.
What? Oh. Let me check ulit. Yan ulit. Wala. Medyo wala siya. Alright. Shawarma. Let's go. Put the shawarma. Let's go. Tapos, slice it. Oh. Put. And ito yung kasi nga yung kailangan ko. Wait, how? Wait, let me check muna to. Stay calm and follow the rules. If a smiling customer come in, hurt him as soda. The wet moving when the gives you most day selling under the counter. Ano ito bago? Ano to X? Further grill. Kunin ko na yung shawarma. Right. See guys. Ito na ang iyong shawarma. I-roll muna natin bago ibigay. Ito na po ang iyong shawarma. Bawasan. Thank you, come again.
Finally smells amazing.
What? May nagsalita. Yun. What the? Why? Sorry guys, sorry. Ano to? Walang bibili. Yo! Hello. Alright.
Two shawarma and soda can.
Two shawarma and soda can. Alright. Bye-bye.
I was literally standing here, and you slammed the window.
Yeah, because you are anomaly. Yan, wala. Buksan ulit natin. Ta-na-na, na-na-na-na, ta-ta-na-na. Yo, what's up, bro? So I'm in no grill. Alright, let me check. What the? Goodbye, sir. Thanks for the money.
Choose your warm-up I was about to order, and you slammed the window.
Because meron ka kasing anomaly sa likod mo, boy. Buksan ulit natin. Tan 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 tan. Boom boom boom. Oh hey, hello. Oh hello.
Hey, what's your warm-up,
Alright.
please?
Tignan muna kita sa camera kung may anomaly.
Great, thanks. It's easy.
Alright, wala. Alright. I'm gonna give you some order. Oy! Sino yan? Ba't may nakatok? Sino yan? I'm not scared of you, bro. Oh. Nasaan ako? Oh. I'm not scared of you, bro. I'll take this one. Lagyan ito. I-roll. Oh, miss. Ito na po.
Here's your order.
Tignan ko. Baka merong ano.
Delicious as always.
Let's go! Two. What?
On this cold December evening, the player did not yet know how the shift would end. Snow slowly
Oh,
settled
hello,
on
sir.
the asphalt.
Welcome.
Security cameras clicked softly, recording an empty yard.
Let me see.
When the customer arrived, he looked
What's your warm-up, please? Sure, that will be 150.
Alright.
The player looked at him through the glass, then at the camera screen, and
Tignan ko ba kasi may ano tao eh.
this is the part where the player looks at the camera screens.
Alright. Punta yun dito. Cheese. Yan.
The player is supposed to look at the cameras.
Yes! I know, bro. Roll it.
I already said.
Oh, saya, yan na.
Thanks.
You're welcome, bro.
The player decided
Oh.
not to complicate things. He served the customer. Sometimes the safest choice is the most ordinary one. The customer took his order and left. Nothing bad happened. The story could have ended differently.
Wag ka ano.
Tonight,
Wag
it
ka ano.
did not.
Oh. Nabawasan? Parang hindi nabawasan. Yo. Parang hindi nabawasan. Ba't parang 2 pa rin? Hello? Oh, hello.
Long day on the road.
Okay.
What's your warm-up and soda?
Okay, sure. Wait, tignan muna kita. Ganyan yung kamay mo, sir. Ganyan sa kamay mo, sir. So, yan. Ano naman natin ito guys yung shawarma. Tapos, maglagay ako sauce. Yan. Tapos, itong vegetable. Tapos, meat. Para na tayong meat. Open the grill. Meat. So, yan. Alright. Wait. What? Oh. So, yan. Please, hindi ka anomaly, please. Give! Oh. There you go. Let's go! Isa na lang. Toot! Let's go! Tan 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 tan.
You saved my night.
Ba't may nagsasalita? Ay, pabayaan na ngayon. Tan 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 tan. Let's go party 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 party. Hello there.
Hello again. One shawarma, please.
Alright.
Weren't you here before?
What?
Before, yes, before. It tasted good. I
Thank you.
like that.
Let me, tignan mo na kita sa camera. Ano yan? Sana walang lalabas. Please! Sana walang lalabas. Please! Please, sana walang lalabas. Please!
Right. I remember for you.
Yeah, remember me, bro. Please, sana walang lalabas. Please. Walang lalabas. Let's go! Walang lumalabas. Oh, no. Alright.
I'm already late because of work.
Long shift.
Alright.
Yeah, boss kept me overtime again.
Okay.
At least I'll get some food before heading home.
Okay.
Anything else?
Soda.
Alright, so the...
Got it.
Wait, bago ko bigyan, let me check the CCTV first. At bibigyan kita. Sauce. Lagay dito. Cheese. Lagay dito. And texture po nata. Lagay dito. Pati meat. Yan na po. I'm going to get your drink. I-roll. Yan. Give. Let's go! So hanggang dito na lang aking video. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Bye!